just added 8 ounces of grape jelly right here into my crock pot. I have 2 14-ounce bags of Smokies. Now these are little chicken and pork sausages. I know they have beef. I went with these ones. You tell me in the comments, what do you like better? I wanna know. All right, you guys, now we have a little bit of some barbecue sauce. Sweet Baby Ray's is definitely one of my favorites. So I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna squeeze this entire 18-ounce bottle of barbecue sauce right here in with my little mini weenies. All right, let's get all of that out. Ooh, it smells so good. I love the smell of this BBQ. All right, so we got the jelly, and then we have the weenies, and we have the barbecue sauce. You guys, this little appetizer here is gonna blow your mind. It's gonna be super amazing. The tanginess from the barbecue sauce and the sweetness from the grape jelly as these weenies marinate in is just so freaking good, I swear. And that's all we have going on here. Jelly, barbecue sauce, and weenies, which by the way, don't forget, tell me what are your favorite kind. Okay, so this is all good, mixed up together. Looks like all that jelly and barbecue sauce. Oh, it's got like this little bit of sweetness with that barbecue, and it smells fantastic. All right, so we're gonna put our lid right on this bad boy here. We're gonna pop it on high. We're gonna let these little mini weenies sit for a couple hours and stick around because I can't wait to show you how easy. I mean, we got jelly, barbecue sauce, and weenies. What a perfect, easy party appetizer. Yes. Okay, you guys, we've been patiently waiting for these weenies to be done, and look at Fabulous Fred is just so excited. He can't hardly wait to try them. Oh my gosh, we can't allow him to wait any longer. Wow, did you just see that? Oh, look at those. Those are so good. They look like they're just marinating in that sauce. Oh my gosh, it's like this sweet and tangy barbecue sauce. Oh, perfect. All right, I'm gonna dish some of these on the plate. Let's see if we can get a better look at these guys. I feel like they got bigger. Did those weenies get bigger?
They usually
do. They get bigger? They get bigger when they cook, don't they? Mm-hmm. All right, enough of that. Okay, babe, I know that you were waiting to try these, so David, come over here and give them a shot. I'm gonna let you get the first taste of these weenies in your mouth. Okay, I'm excited for you to try these. I know that I'm gonna poke a weenie for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, make sure you get some of that sauce on there.
Ooh.
It might be a little hot, so careful. Do you like it?
Wow.
Can you taste the jelly?
Yeah, the grape jelly really makes it.
It's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness, you guys, what? Here, you can have the rest of those. I know that's a lot of weenies, but we know you like them. All right, you guys, that's it for my 3-ingredient easy appetizer, weenies. I mean, you can't go wrong with these. Have you tried putting grape jelly mixed with barbecue sauce in your mini weenie dish? Oh, that's a tongue twister. If you haven't, now is the time. You won't regret it, I promise.